Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this red glam makeup look using the MAC and Selena eyeshadow palette. I recently had someone comment on one of my videos requesting that I do a makeup tutorial using the color red. So I thought I would delve into this palette since it has a gorgeous red shade in it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so I already went ahead in and I did my base, I primed, I color corrected, and I went ahead in with foundation. I'll link everything that I used down below in the description box, and I'll also link a video which shows you guys how I prepare my base. Just to save time, I already did it before starting to film, so if you're interested in seeing how I apply the products and all of the details regarding that, I'll have a video linked down below for you guys. So I also went ahead in and I primed my lids, and to do so I just used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I just set my lids in place with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So for today's look, I'm going to be jumping into the MAC and Selena eyeshadow palette. I've already done quite a few tutorials using this palette, as well as a full review on my channel. I do have a playlist of tutorials that I've done with this palette, so I'll have that playlist linked up here so you guys can check that out. So I'm going to start off by grabbing this nice neutral shade right here and just going in with a big fluffy brush. I'm going to start working this color into my crease. Next, I'm going to grab this gorgeous cream color right here, and I'm just grabbing this color with a small flat brush. This is the Morphe M124, and I'm just going to start placing this onto the inner third of my lid. Next, I'm going ahead in with this gorgeous red color right here, and I'm just grabbing this shade with another flat brush. This is from the Nabella Noor and e.l.f. collection. And I'm going to start packing this color onto kind of like the middle third of the lid. I'm just taking a more defined brush. This is the Morphe E35. And I'm just taking the red and I'm cleaning up the edges. Just going back in with the red and really packing the color on. We'll worry about blending it out after. Right now, you just want to make sure you get a good amount of the red on the lid. So going in with the flat brush that I used to apply the inner corner shade, I'm just taking whatever product is on here and I'm slowly starting to blend out the area where these two colors meet. And just making sure that there's no harsh lines and that there's a nice kind of gradient and transition area. I'm going back in with the red and kind of pulling the color more outwards onto the outer corners of my eyes as well. And of course, cleaning up the edges. I'm going to go back in with this nice tan shade right here. And just with a big fluffy brush, this is the Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm going to start smoking this out onto the outer corners and creating like a nice outer V. And it's okay if it's not perfect, we're going to clean it up with concealer afterwards. So my trick for creating a nice outer V is kind of blending in this direction for a little bit. So going like that, outwards, and then like this motion downwards from the crease. And that's how you're going to create that nice outer V effect. And in terms of how hard I'm pressing on my eyes, I'm using a super light hand because I want this to be as smoked out and dusted out as possible. You want it to look very nice and effortlessly blended. Next, I'm grabbing this nice dark chocolate brown color and using my Morphe E37 blending brush, I'm going to apply this color onto the outer corners of my eyes, and this is going to add really nice dimension to the eyes. Alright you guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes and I kind of want to work on the face a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face. So to do so, I'm first going in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer under my eyes. I love this concealer because it has a really nice hydrating formula, and I love that for under my eyes because my under eyes tend to get dry. And for other parts of my face, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer. It has really good coverage. And of course I like this for other parts of my face because I don't want the hydration from this one in like other parts. I just really need this under the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these two. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So while everything is baking in place, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm grabbing the Tattoo Liner by KVD Beauty. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with the eyeliner, and I also went ahead and I wiped away the setting powder that was on my face. Now I'm going to quickly wrap up the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in with the nice transition shade that we've been using, and what I'm going to do is just grab my Morphe M431 pencil brush, and I'm going to just dust this color onto my entire lower lash line. Using a more defined brush, this is my Morphe M515. I'll show you guys how tiny it is. It's really small and defined. And I'm going to concentrate this color onto the kind of outer corner of my lower lash line, kind of replicating the same area where the red is on the lid. So just right below that area, you want to dust out the red. So that's pretty much it for the lower lash line. Now I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on some lashes and mascara. So for lashes, I'm grabbing one of my favorite drugstore lashes. These are the Kiss number 11. And for mascara, I'm going to be going ahead in with my ultimate favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my lashes, and I also quickly went ahead and I did my brows. For brows, all I used was the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 04. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and to contour I love to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Taking my Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm going to dust the bronzer down the sides of my nose. And just a little bit at the bottom. I'm just taking a little bit of my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to put some just down the center of my nose as well as the sides. And just going in with a small beauty blender. This is by e.l.f. I'm going to just blend all of this out. Alright, so I'm all done contouring the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and with some blush. I'm grabbing the NYX blush in Cocoa. And for highlight, I'm grabbing the e.l.f. Annabella Noir highlight in Niharika Glow. Just taking my beauty blender, I'm going to press this highlight into the skin. Just really blend it out. And the last thing I have to do is my lips, so I'm going to go ahead and line them using the NYX retractable lip liner in Sand Beige. So I kind of just went in and softened out the liner kind of onto my lips by going like that, and also just using my finger and like really softening out the liner. So for lipstick, I'm going to be grabbing the Huda Beauty lipstick in Anniversary. It's this really gorgeous nude shade. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, if you guys have any suggestions on videos you would like me to do, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll follow up on those for sure, just like how I did today. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.